That's a good idea. I'm thinking we're not going to argue with that one, Christiane. Do you just love a good nap as well? Or does it make you feel sluggish? According to a new survey, a quick snooze could be the key to productivity. The company Mattress Nerd found nappers are also happier and, how about this, more confident. Some even said they'd be willing to take a pay cut if they could nap at the office. 30% of people said they never take naps. I'm the one who would pay my boss to take a nap on some days. Well, continuing the conversation on the health benefits of napping is Dr. Habacuc Diaz Garcia with Signature Care Emergency Center. Let me tell you, you've got everyone's attention right now on the morning show because we do love a good nap. But there are health benefits from it, right? So for anybody who maybe doesn't get up in the middle of the night, why is it good for you?
Well, I think just alertness and mostly accident avoidance. You know, I can't tell you how many horrible accidents we see just from people kind of falling asleep at the wheel. But overall, you know, psychologically, I think it just kind of helps you enjoy your day, enjoy the time you spend with your family. You know, you're more awake, you're more alert, you're more involved.
And you're right. And the thing about driving sleepy is you don't realize a lot of times how tired you are until it's too late, and that's really scary. Okay, so what happens to your body if you just take a nap in the middle of the day? What's going on that makes you feel so much better?
Same thing that happens at night. You kind of go through the stages of sleep. What you want to do is you want to kind of stay in those first couple of stages. And the first, like the second stage, you're really kind of clearing out all those byproducts of being awake. And that's what really makes you feel awake, is kind of getting rid of those neurotransmitters that have been just kind of accumulating around your brain.
And I think that's the key, too, of what you said, of staying in those first couple of stages. Because if you sleep too long, then you get into nap funk, and then you feel terrible. So it's like that trying to find that perfect area of how much time. What do you suggest as far as timing is concerned?
I'm thinking like 15, 20 minutes.
Ah, so not much.
Yeah,
more than that. To reset your body.
Yeah, more than that, you're getting into those late stages of sleep, and you're waking up really tired, more groggy.
If you want to take an afternoon nap, and some of us have to actually put it on our calendars to make sure it happens, what do you think the ideal time during the day is so that it doesn't affect your sleep at night?
Noon, 1 o'clock. I think that's when when you see the surveys, that's when people really start to feel tired, 1 to 2 p.m.
So you eat lunch and go to sleep?
I would
or
say,
do you like it before you eat?
Small meals during the day, because that can even make you more tired.
Okay. Sometimes people say, there's no way I can go to sleep, it's too bright. So what do you suggest for somebody who says, you know what, I do think I'd benefit from this, but it's just kind of hard to pull that off during a loud, busy, bright day?
Sure. Just make yourself comfortable. You know, if you're trying too hard to sleep, then you probably don't need to. Make yourself comfortable. If it happens naturally, let it happen. Right. If it's a struggle, you probably don't need it.
And I have to say, there are so many apps for that, right? I mean, there are a lot of calming apps out there, noise machines and things like that. But then I guess if you are pretty tired, you need to set that alarm to make sure that you're up after that 20 minutes after you suggested.
Yes. Yeah. Certainly, you don't want to go more than 20 minutes, but you should be waking up naturally after those 20 minutes.
Are you concerned about their sleep at night? Will it affect them at all?
If you're sleeping too long, it will. If you're doing it too late, it will. Early on, short, I think you're okay.
All right. Well, it's good advice, and now you're making everybody here yawn. I see some stretching going on, so we might have to go talk to our boss about that.
Yeah, this couch is looking pretty comfy.
Yeah, no doubt.